Hi Shubhashri, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm so sorry. I just reloaded the page because that join meeting link was not coming for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
So, where are you from, India?
I'm from Kolkata.
Okay, great. So, basically, I would like to give you a brief background about our company. Our company is, and we are doing corporate services and legal consultancy here in which involves company formation, visa, PRO services, and we want someone to handle our page completely for social media, whether Facebook, Instagram. We have already accounts on LinkedIn, Facebook, on Instagram, and we want someone for the TikTok as well and help us to get viral, and we can shoot the reels and give it back to you, and then we can have you can edit those reels, you can give us a planner, you can give ideas what is working for what and how can we go viral, what content is better. So that's what we want. We already have a social media agency which we have involved with our company since 6 8 months. However, since their replies are being delayed, so we want someone who will dedicatedly work for the company.
I got
So yeah, so just let me know your background, how do you work and what do you uh, suggest and everything else. If you can have just a quick look to our websites, it's just Instagram. One Corp Legal is the username. You can just have a quick look towards it and see what can we do, and just let me know how we can proceed with it.
it. So I'm giving my introduction. My name is Shubhasri Banerjee. I'm from Kolkata and I'm a social media marketer. For like 7 8 years, I'm working as a freelancer on Upwork. And right now, I'm working alone as well as I have a team who help me to do all the things. And for your company, obviously, I can help you with my skill and knowledge. And can you just give me more details about your company and your competitors so I can create a content calendar and provide it to you? And another thing is like I can, do the competitor analysis and all, how your competitors are working on their social media so I can get the knowledge and I will get back to you. That is the process.
Done, sure. I can share you some of the competitors' name, also our company website. You can also share us some of your work, which you have, I think, which you have already shared in a proposal.
Shared you my portfolio as I remember. Yes.
Yeah. So how can you help us in everything, and then we can connect back. Works?
Yes, it works.
Done. Okay, we'll connect back. I'll share you the links and everything.
Okay, okay. And we can have a call on Monday if you want.
Would work.
Uh, Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.